Feeling overwhelmed by the highly competitive marketing landscape? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Welcome to eProlo Academy, where we provide effective ways to grow your business. Today, we'll explore a unique, less competitive channel, Reddit. This platform allows you to connect with your audience, build brand loyalty, and boost your business. Now, let's start with introducing Reddit. Reddit is a social media platform where users share content such as links, text posts, images, and videos. Other users can upvote or downvote the content based on their preferences, causing interesting posts to rise. These votes contribute to a user's karma, a point system that reflects their contributions to this platform, further encouraging meaningful engagement. Reddit also has subreddits, which are smaller communities focused on specific topics or interests. Users can post and discuss content related to the subject of each subreddit. Subreddits are identified by r/, followed by the topic name, such as r/technology or r/movies. Similarly, u/ refers to a user's account. This allows users to link to or mention a specific user by typing u/username, which creates a clickable link to that user's profile. It's often used to mention someone in a conversation or give credit. As I mentioned earlier, Reddit ranks posts based on upvotes and downvotes. However, other factors are involved in ranking, including Reddit's internal algorithm and ads. The algorithm assigns different weights to votes depending on factors like the age of the account's karma, and the activity level of the subreddit. Posts that are promoted with ads are labeled as promoted. Understanding Reddit's ranking system is crucial for crafting an effective marketing strategy on the platform. While Reddit is most popular in the United States, it has a significant global user base. Let's evaluate whether Reddit can be an effective promotional channel for growing your business, starting with its advantages. Reddit is a highly active platform, boasting hundreds of millions of monthly active users worldwide. Many active subreddits covers a wide range of topics, from entertainment to science. This allows you to reach a broad and varied customer base, regardless of what you are offering. Although Reddit is a major player in the social media landscape, it is not as heavily saturated with advertisements compared to platforms like Instagram or TikTok. This presents new promotional opportunities for brands that can explore the platform and stand out in less crowded spaces. Reddit values genuine, informative interactions, making it an excellent place to build trust with potential customers. By creating meaningful content and participating in discussions, brands can foster trust and earn long-term loyalty. However, while Reddit has numerous advantages, there are also challenges that businesses should be aware of before diving in. Although Reddit is an active platform with countless new posts daily, individual user engagement can vary. Many users visit subreddits to browse the content that they're interested in without necessarily participating in upvoting, downvoting, commenting, or even posting themselves. Reddit's primarily text-based format is different from Instagram and TikTok, which is visual-oriented content. This simplicity can limit how attractively you showcase your products or services. For instance, when sharing product details, your visuals may be limited, and your post's title might need to carry more weight in grabbing attention. By weighing these advantages and challenges, you can better determine if Reddit aligns with your goals. If you decide to use Reddit as a marketing channel, then let's see the specific strategies next. When it comes to Reddit marketing, there are several strategies you can use to make an impact. A great place to start is by building your own brand subreddit. This space allows you and your followers to interact, share experiences, and discuss products, ultimately fostering deeper connections and customer loyalty over time. Creating a brand subreddit is simple if you have a Reddit account. Just log in, find the Create a Community button in the sidebar, and fill in the necessary details. Make sure to double-check everything, as you can't change its name or delete it once the subreddit is created. Once your subreddit is up and running, It's time to develop a content strategy, just like what you did on other platforms. One effective approach is the 3H content strategy, which helps brands build a well-rounded content plan that attracts, engages, and retains followers. Start with hero content, which focuses on high-impact posts like product launches or major announcements to grab attention and attract new members. Follow up with hub content by sharing regular updates, hosting discussions, or creating polls to maintain consistent engagement and keep your community active. Finally, include help content to address common questions, provide tutorials, or share valuable tips, positioning your brand as a reliable and trusted resource. The 3H content strategy ensures your subreddit thrives by attracting new users, engaging existing ones, and providing lasting value to your community. A small tip for sellers who feel they don't have enough influence to maximize their marketing efforts: partner with individuals who already have a strong presence and can help amplify your product. Here's what you can do. Simply search for product reviews on Reddit. This will lead you to top posters that accept collaboration opportunities. These users can help showcase your products to a wider, more engaged audience, boosting your visibility and reach. Partnering with key opinion leaders on Reddit can be a highly effective strategy, especially with its highly engaged, niche-focused communities. The process is simple. Identify relevant subreddits, find active or trusted members, and reach out for potential collaboration. Let's assume you're promoting jewelry. Start by searching for subreddits related to your niche, such as R jewelry, in the Reddit search bar. Once you find relevant subreddits, it's important to look at the posts that rank highly. Typically, posts with higher rankings are generally more trustworthy. Look at the users with highly ranked posts. Check their karma, account history, and achievements to assess if they're worth partnering with. Additionally, you can find subreddit moderators in the sidebar, who are typically trusted members of the community. You can reach out to them by clicking on the Message the Mods button or send a direct message through their profile. By working with these active and trusted users, you can effectively tap into their community influence and extend your brand's reach to a more targeted audience. Like other social media platforms, Reddit offers advertising options for brands looking to promote their posts. You can create both simple and advanced campaigns depending on your goals. For a simple campaign, the process is straightforward. Just upload your ad materials, set your targeting options, and pay for the ad. These 3 steps are all it takes to launch a basic Reddit campaign. For those seeking greater control over their campaigns, the advanced campaign option is more suited. This requires you to name the campaign and choose your campaign objective. There are 5 objectives available: brand awareness and reach, traffic, conversions, video views, and app installs. The right choice should align with your campaign goals. Advanced campaigns also offer a variety of targeting options, including custom and more precise demographic targeting. This allows you to fine-tune every aspect of your campaign. When it comes to placements, you can choose between 2 options: feed and conversions. The feed placement is ideal for driving traffic and raising brand awareness by capturing users' attention as they scroll through their home feed. On the other hand, conversions placement is tailored to drive specific actions, such as purchases or sign-ups. In addition, advanced campaigns also allow you to adjust budget, bidding, and ad details based on your marketing plan. Whether you opt for a simple campaign or an advanced one, both offer valuable opportunities for promoting your brand on Reddit. To maximize your marketing efforts, try to use flares in your posts. Flares are labels or tags that can be added to posts, helping to categorize content and making it easier for users to navigate. It also helps attract users interested in this topic. By filtering posts with flares, users focus on relevant content, enhancing their experience. For marketing purposes, flares can be used to draw attention to key promotional details, such as discounts or special offers. You can also create flares for special events, so the users who are interested in specific activities to quickly locate and engage in relevant discussion. However, while Reddit flares are a powerful tool, the ability to create and customize flares is typically restricted to subreddit moderators. Regular users can usually only select from pre-approved flare options. If you're looking to promote products outside of your own subreddit, it's a good idea to reach out to the moderators of other communities and request their help in using custom flares to highlight your content. That's all for this video. We've covered everything from knowing Reddit to leveraging flares to boost your marketing efforts. Now, you have the power to run brand marketing campaigns on Reddit. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.